Welcome to DJMT.
My correct people will be to now. Welcome now once again to DJMT. Now,
Yes, so my people, not be small thing dey happen o. E get one pastor wey don come outside come talk how yahoo boys say scammer. My people, no be small thing. According to this pastor, he say yahoo boys scammer woto say no be small thing. Hey, in clear eyes o. My people, those of una wey never see the video wey this pastor dey talk wetin e eye see, I go play una this video na make una hear from Pastor Femi Lazarus. Make una hear wetin e talk concerning how yahoo boys say scammer. Make una watch and make una share, my people dey come.
I was scammed. Me, I was scammed. Years back, I was scammed. I got a girl born again. I didn't know she didn't get born again very well. She didn't give all her life to Jesus. She gave part. So the girl agreed with somebody else. Somebody not even outside. What do I mean? Somebody somewhere. And that's how they called. She said she was importing the goods. They called me and say, hey, actually, we're bringing the goods down from the United States of America. The guy was speaking for American English. Yahoo boys they are good. They are good. If they put this brain to something else, they will produce. They are good. I don't know how somebody from Agbo. Okay, Agbo, you are from Agbo. will be speaking phone like that. Or somebody from don't let me mention anywhere. Hi, Mr. Lazarus. Hey, American number. I say this American number. Say while they were packaging the person's goods. That's how a wallet fell inside that contained $25,000. I had $25,000. Me that I was going through wilderness. I said, my God, what do you want me to do? Say, actually now the goods have landed in Nigeria and they have accosted the goods, that they need some money to get the goods out because there's some money inside that once it gets to me, that it will permit me to take how much inside again? I can't remember, maybe 5,000 out of the money. I said, what do you want me to do? I started speaking for them. What do you want me to do? He said, well, that they are requesting for a certain amount of money to clear the goods. I said, how much? He said, it's a small thing. Don't worry. I went to call one of the sisters in church, borrow money from a member. Years back. I was not the direct pastor of the church anyways, but I was part of the leaders. Borrowed money. The sister said, Pastor, this is my school fees. I beg you in the name of Jesus. I said, please. I said, don't worry. I will even pay times 2. With my own hand. I went to go and pay the money. But it didn't occur to me that the account I'm paying this money to is a Mary something. Hey, I said I paid. They called me again and said, hey, Mr. Lazarus, this, we've passed to the first stage, the second stage, this, another money. I said, I'm going to get another money for you. I got another money. Borrowed money. Oh God. Borrowed another money. Put it there. I was teaching in the primary school. That's how one day the number rang. They didn't know that they were calling me. And I was hearing the same brother, Mr. Johnson, that we are speaking for net together. I was hearing them talking underneath. Say, how far that guy? How much you don't pay now? That guy that mumu. I said, me. For over 16 minutes, the phone was on call. They did not know that they were on call. I felt like urinating. I was sweating. I was cold. I couldn't stand. I had planned in my head once this money lands. Anytime I'm passing on the street now, I walk with pride. That okay, yes. Not that time. What were we thinking? We were not thinking much. Say, yeah, I'm going to rent all these shops there. We'll break them together. There will be a barbing salon, and then yes, there will be a place where people are watching ball here in the same place. Oh yes, and then there can be an ice cream. This that. I will pass. I'll be thinking about that. Brothers and sisters, that's how I was dismissed. I saw that I've been scammed. The next time I called that number, blocked, switched off. Okay, the converts that I got born again that went to bring all these things, that's how we did say again. Till today, I've not seen the girl. Whether she's online now, only God knows. I'm sure you have given your life to Christ if you're online. Very well now. That's how I was scammed.
Hey, my people, not be small thing o. Hey, All these people don do dis scamming things go reach where pastor dey, no be small thing my people. Anyway, e no get who don dey let dem scam, na everybody dey scam. Anybody wey dem see am say e go fit fall for their tricks na im dem dey scam. Make we use dis one take learn, make we dey careful with people wey we dey do anything with. Anyway my people, na the update wey we carry come like dis be dis o. How una reason, how una see am? Make una drop una comment o, and make una no forget to like and share, and also make una follow us for all our social media handle DJMTV. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
DJ NTV. DJ NTV.